I just posted yesterday's vlog and then got myself a coffee, got ready for the day. I'm gonna jump onto my computer and start to edit for a couple hours. This week, I wanna finish a wedding film and the Columbia video. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of editing. I have a call in about 45 minutes for a potential client that wants to get some videography and photography done. So I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna plan, get ready for that, and I hope the call goes really well. I'll fill you guys in afterwards. But yeah, the plan for today, gonna be doing a lot of editing, of course gotta hit the gym, and who knows what else may happen. I'm gonna jump onto my computer now and get all of this started. So I will send it over today and hopefully hear from you soon. If not, enjoy Cabo and we'll talk soon. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you too, bye. I haven't gotten this camera angle yet. Come on. This is a cool camera angle. All right, guys, I just got off the phone. Still super excited. I think everything went really well. This is for a 3-day production. I would be doing video coverage and photography coverage. We just dove into it about the whole entire event and what I offer and how I would document it, the editing I would do, and it's just super exciting. Because this is a bigger corporate event, the budget gets to be a lot higher, and I'm just kind of breaking into this corporate videography. So, you know, you want to land the job and you want to come across as professional, but also like someone that they want to work with. So you don't want to be just like, this is what it costs and blah, blah, blah. You want to like build that connection, but also stay professional. And so I'm really happy with how it went. I think what I pitched was appropriate and fair. I'm just excited to be breaking into this new market. Also, to get to film such an awesome event here in San Diego would just be huge for myself, my portfolio, and my career. So it just passed 12. I actually just fasted all morning. And so I'm gonna break that and get some food in me, hit editing. But yeah, let's grab some food and get to the edit. All right, guys, I'm gonna head down to the gym before it gets too late. The sun is already starting to set, and I know if it gets dark out, getting to the gym is gonna be hard. So I'm gonna cut editing a little short here, head down to the gym, and then I'll make up those hours tonight. Also, I hope you guys aren't getting sick of the cabinet shot, but it's honestly just so great. You're sitting on top of a pasta bag, which is just a great angle. And then there's a window next to me, which gives me nice side lighting. I mean, right now it's a little bright. 90% of the time, it works 100% of the time, you know? Do you guys want to see a magic trick? All right, let's throw this back and head down to the gym. It is a beautiful day out. It's one thing I don't like about staying inside all morning to work. I feel like I just missed the day. And then by the time I go to the gym, the sun is already setting. One thing I've been just saying to myself these last couple days, keep going, go one more, which I know is a popular saying for a fitness brand, go one more. It's just like this whole vlog mentality and creative have just been like fueling each other. So like the fact that I'm constantly trying to make vlogs and like stay creative is like pushing me to maintain the work that I also have to be doing. So they're like going back and forth, and I just keep saying like, gotta keep going, keep creating, keep moving. I think for me, that's kind of the energy I need to be living in to stay positive and to feel really good. This vlog has been a great outlet for me to be able to constantly almost like make sense of my days and my work by filming it, which sounds crazy. And then because this takes up time, I have to make sure I'm staying productive and getting my other work done and keeping the business up to speed. It's been very healthy. I hope it's maintainable, and hope I can keep just doing one more, keep moving forward, however you want to say it, but just keep that driven mentality alive and keep that fire going. All right, enough chatting, let's hit the gym. We hit green lights the whole way down. which like never happens. So, you know it's gonna be a good workout. What's up, brother? How we doing?
Hey.
What's up? Yeah. So far, a really good workout, except for the fact that I kind of like messed up my wrist. It feels like there's a bone pushing out of my wrist, but it's like poking me in a weird way. It just feels really odd. I'm not gonna push it too hard on the wrist, so I'm gonna wrap up with some other workouts. The sunset tonight, it's nice. It looks like a landscape, so figured I'd get a shot of that for you guys. Gotta be honest with you, I didn't hit the ice bath today. I was a wimp, I didn't go in. I was in the red room, feeling really good, and with my wrist getting messed up, I was just making excuses. I just was really enjoying the red room and just wanted to shower and come back here. I could make the excuse that I had a call that I was supposed to get on, which I do have a call lined up, which it's actually happening right now, so I'll be right back. Let's switch it to nighttime mode. Pretty simple. Okay, it's way too dark, hold on. All right, we have some background lights. This is the before shot. Add this light in. There's the after shot. Perfect. So I just got off the phone with Ben. We met on the Colombia trip and he is an incredible jaguar and big cat photographer. He invited me next year in April to help film and photograph pumas in Chile with another videographer, so it'd be a team of 3, which would just be incredible. They're super experienced and talented, so I would just love to go with them to learn and be part of it. And then this would be a bigger film that we would pitch to hopefully do some more work. I also mentioned before the call that I did not hit the ice bath today. I feel a little bit guilty about it, but I'm human. You know, I was still trying to tell myself, keep moving forward, keep pushing, but I missed the mark today on an ice bath, I will admit it. But that just means tomorrow, no excuses, get right back into it. And because my wrist is kind of messed up, I think I'm just gonna run tomorrow. So maybe I'll do like a run, ice bath. But yeah, not much else is going on today. Gonna jump on my computer, catch up on the edits that I need to, because I left early to go to the gym, and just call it a night. You know, pretty chill day. This is like a normal day, I feel like, in my life. Wake up, edit, go to the gym, come back, edit, have a few calls. But that's just how it is. I hope there was something that motivated you or you just enjoyed watching. I always appreciate it. Let's wrap it up with one more working time lapse and then we'll close out. All right, guys, I'm closing out today's vlog. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe if you're not, drop a like or a comment. I love reading the comments. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Peace.
Listen, if you have a pimple, or a blemish that you need gone, these are the best pimple patches. I literally might have an addiction to these. I had a pimple right, oh, you can't see this.